Hey everyone, given its current Amazon discount, the Lefant M2 Pro stands out as a surprisingly capable robot vacuum cleaner in the budget category. Despite having a list price of about 699 euros, the 237 euros deal price places it in a competitive market segment that is full of mediocre goods. The M2 Pro stands out right away thanks to its unique combination of well-considered engineering, sturdy construction, and extremely efficient cleaning capabilities. When the M2 Pro is unboxed, a sleek, white-finished, minimalist robot with a moderate 32 centimeter diameter footprint is revealed. Its slender 9.5 centimeters height, including the TOF laser turret, is its most striking physical feature. This makes it easy to slide beneath furniture and low beds, which is a unique benefit in this price range. The build quality doesn't shout budget, even though it is reasonably priced. The device conveys a polished, deliberate look, and the polymers used feel sturdy. The TOF laser turret, which has PSD obstacle avoidance, is the fundamental component of the robot's navigation system. This allows it to produce rational zigzag cleaning patterns and map environments over a broad 190-degree angle. It avoids collisions admirably and approaches obstructions carefully. The pathing appears intentional rather than random, which is a crucial area where many low-cost vacuums fall short, and the robot hardly ever bumps into furniture. The M2 Pro's ability to empty itself is one of its advantages. Depending on usage, the base's 2.5-liter dust bag may hold trash for 40 to 45 days. It is small and lightweight. The self-emptying operation is quite efficient, leaving no trash in the robot's internal bin, albeit being a little noisy and taking a few seconds. This offers a degree of convenience that is typically only found in more expensive versions. Although not the strongest on paper, the maximum suction power of 5,200 pascals is more than sufficient in practical applications. M2 Pro had no trouble cleaning up spills in simple testing, using particles like coffee grounds and breadcrumbs. Additionally, it recognizes carpets automatically and boosts suction when necessary. However, because it doesn't raise its mop, there is a slight chance that it will dampen rugs while mopping. Speaking of mopping, the M2 Pro is powered by an electric water pump and uses a conventional cloth-based mop. Larger areas may be cleaned without the need for regular refills thanks to the 300 milliliter water tank, and the pump keeps the floor from being too wet. It delivers a fair amount of pressure to the surface, even if it lacks the revolving or vibrating mop head seen in more sophisticated systems. The Lefant app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android, is used to control the Lefant M2 Pro. The program has been updated, and it now supports a number of languages, including Italian. The UI was clumsy and lacked localization in earlier iterations, but recent upgrades have greatly improved its usability. Users can schedule jobs, create virtual walls, and alter cleaning modes. Additional ease is provided via integration with Google Assistant and Alexa, which allows voice control for simple commands. In conclusion, the Lefant M2 Pro offers an amazing blend of features, usability, and performance at its discounted price, while not being a flawless robot vacuum. For those who prefer a low-profile robot that can go under furniture, it's perfect for small to medium-sized homes. Although it might not be appropriate for huge areas or those requiring sophisticated mop automation, it excels at handling the majority of routine cleaning tasks. Robust obstacle recognition, convenient self-emptying, good mopping, and a useful app make it one of the best low-cost robot vacuums on the market right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.